Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 10 euro cents coin from Germany. Dated 2002 with the F mint mark. On the obverse side, this coin features the Brandenburg Gate, one of Germany's most famous landmarks and a strong symbol of unity and history. Around the design, you'll see the 12 stars of the European Union, along with the year 2002. The F mint mark shows that this coin was struck at the Stuttgart Mint. The reverse side displays the common European Union design, with the value 10 euro cent and a map of Europe, representing unity among EU member countries. This coin is made of Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Most 2002 F Germany 10-cent coins are common in circulation, but uncirculated examples or coins with minting errors can be worth more to collectors. Be sure to check your change for off-center strikes, weak details, or unusual marks, as these small differences can increase a coin's value. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.